In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block a spam email sender address on your AOL Mail account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select spam when you've signed into AOL Mail. And then once you're in your spam folder here, you just go ahead and check mark next to that mail message that you want to go about blocking the sender, and select more up at the top. Select where it says block senders, and then you just go ahead and make sure they're check marked in there for blocking future emails, as well as if you want to delete any existing emails from this address, and you would select OK to save, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.